In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can observe clouds using NASA Globe Observer. This is another way you can earn volunteer hours by contributing to citizen science projects. When you download the NASA Globe Observer app, you'll see there are several different research projects. Clouds asks you to describe and photograph cloud cover. While NASA's satellites give them a view of the clouds from above, they need people to submit data from their vantage point beneath the clouds. You can compare your observations with those of passing satellites if you time your observation within 15 minutes of a satellite flyover. From the home screen, click this button to check satellite flyover times and set notifications as well. After reading the guidelines and instructions, click Next at the bottom of each screen. The app will walk you through the steps to complete an observation. When you're ready to make a cloud observation, click the blue button. First, it'll ask you to confirm your time and location, and you can adjust your location on the map using 2 fingers. Then select the amount of coverage you see in the sky. Right now, it looks like we're the first selection. Yep, we definitely have some clouds. Then it will ask you what percentage of the sky is covered by clouds, and I chose 50 to 90%. If you need more help, you can use the guided wizard, but the manual cloud identification is pretty user-friendly. First, it asks if you see any contrails. These are the vapor trails or line-shaped clouds produced by aircraft. Based on what I see, I select no contrails visible. Then it will ask about 3 levels of clouds, starting with the highest. These don't exactly look like the clouds I see in the sky, so I select no high-level clouds. Next, it will ask about mid-level clouds. Now these look more like what we're seeing in the sky at present, so I select alto cumulus. Then it asks what percentage of the mid-level sky is covered by clouds, and I select the same 50 to 90%. It also asks about the opacity of these clouds, and since I can see some clouds and some sky, I select translucent. Next, it asks about low-level clouds, which can be hard to ascertain, but from this vantage point you can see that there are definitely some low-hanging clouds, and I select fog. We have no rain or snow clouds, so I skip down to the percentage of sky covered. Since the fog is starting to break up at this point, I select scattered. Of the scattered fog clouds, I cannot see through them, so I select opaque. Now we're done with clouds, it'll ask about surface conditions. So no snow, no standing water, it's not muddy, but there is dry ground, and there are leaves on the trees, and it's not actively raining. Next, it will guide you through taking pictures of the sky. Here, you can also add older pictures from your camera roll to make a delayed observation. Just make sure you set the time and location from when the pictures were taken. For a real-time observation, click Take Pictures and turn your phone horizontally. The app will automatically start the camera. When taking your pictures, make sure you do not accidentally photograph people. Any pictures containing faces or children will not be accepted by NASA. The app will guide you through taking pictures in each direction and automatically take the photo when the circle turns green. All directions are not required, and you can hit Done in the corner when you're done taking photos. Hit Finish to save your photos, and then you're ready to transmit your data. From this screen, you can make a new observation or submit your data. When you hit Send All Cloud Data Now, it will send any previously unsubmitted observations, so not to worry if you didn't have service while you were observing. Your observations are stored to your device. You will get this message when you have successfully submitted all your data. From this screen, you can see data you've submitted as well as other data observations from today. Now you should be ready to start observing some clouds. Don't forget to submit your form to receive volunteer credit for your research.